Okay, run the fire blocking all the way around, and I put it that low in the event that they're gonna put windows. They can just transition the same line, carry the same window line into this room if they like. Been working on this today, then cutting the studs and build the frame for the right there. I already cut one side. That's one side for over here, the skin. That's the other side. And we got this side finished yesterday. We got a one screw that's missing there. Gotta like make sure I put that in. Then we put the top and bottom, the bottom and middle section. We had to come in and put a couple screws today. And then we did the top. Getting ready to switch out and run these bad boys right here. It's time for that right there. And I also rip these pieces right here. And as you can see, I put these in there. In a minute, I'll see if I can figure out how to put that in, close that, and then anchor that to the metal frame as well. Beef it up. Did the same here. I already got my measurement mark to rip one more side. I'm gonna cut that in a sec. Then I'm getting ready to scribe the next one and cut that. I found out that when I cut notch here, this right here can cut it, but one squeeze and it'll cut that full length. But I gotta put it at a 90 degrees. Just doing a little demonstration right there. See, I got my section sliced there, made a cut there. It requires both hands. Let's see if I can get it one hand. Shazam! Where's my jam? Gotta love this thing right here. Just got both of them cut, set and ready. Now it's time to install. It's another super duper hot day in Belize. This is Cayo district. This is the twin town of San Ignacio and Santa Elena. This is San Ignacio. And a little bodega corner store right here. Water delivery truck. Ready? Torque that screw in. That's gorgeous and mighty Santa Elena off in the distance. It's another sweltering hot day. Remember to hydrate as you move about, traveling, and enjoy the great nation of Belize. And to all citizens as well, hydrate. Juice, coconut water. Note, if you drink one bottle of soda, it requires 4 glasses of 8 ounce glass of water to try to get that flushed out of your system. Refreshing. I love the double park in this place. Thanks for moving your ride. Well, I thought that one was gonna move. Right, instead he gonna snake over to the fence. Good job snaking over. There is some relief. We're getting a little cool breeze every now and then coming through. His skills are being tested. There's quite a bit of tourists that just arrived back in town. Look like they got back from the cave. Okay, so you can use fire blocking. These are installed to prevent or slow down fire once it's trapped inside the wall. And it also used to help straighten out the studs. So you can get a plumb stud. Perfectly vertical stud. So more tourists getting off the excursion that they take to the cave. Cave is in Mountain Pine Ridge too, and it's in the Cayo district. You got the 1,000-foot waterfall up there, rear hun pools. Alright, we got that little section there installed and put in. A little strip. So now I gotta work out the piece that goes up top. It's a breezy afternoon. Where we at? The design of it, it do get a little bit of breeze, but like how we're putting it up, I saw hungry hippo boat around maybe 1:32 today. But yeah, that's a sleeping sauropod. I guess they're on a standstill for now. Ooh, San Ignacio pontoon is out here. That's pretty awesome and sweet. So like I said, there's activities that you can sign up and schedule and do family events. You can, if you don't have kids, you can also do like, single little romantic float or canoe down the mighty Macal or the Mopan River. Right now this is the Macal, and that's the Hawksworth Bridge in the backdrop. For kids, right up here there's a arcade right up at this I think it's the Manzanero building. It's in the section that was the old replay. Man, I wish I would be able to join them. It looks like fun. Someone looks like they have a snorkeling mask on too. All the way from Corozal district here. Welcome to Cayo district.